Good morning to all. Myself Aman Sharma from Hotel Management Department in RPIIT campus Karnal. Today's our topic is lost and found procedure. First of all, we will discuss our objective of this session is what is lost and found, classification of lost and found, storage, claiming and unclaimed items. First is what is lost and found. An item left behind by a guest either in the room or bar and restaurant in public area. These are those items which come under the lost and found, identified by any staff and brought under the notice of housekeeping is termed as lost and found items. Classification of lost and found. Lost and found classified as follows. First is valuable items, 6-month period. Non-valuable items, 3 months period. Perishable items disposed on the same day. Valuable items. Valuable items such as gold jewelry, money, credit card, laptops, mobile cameras and branded eye shades, etc. Non-valuable items are such as clothes, shoes, bags, umbrellas, etc. Perishable items are food and beverage items including liquor. Storage. All items received to be recorded in lost and found register. Second, item should be put in a plastic bag, nothing the serial number from the register, place found, date, name of the person who found the item, etc. Third, the lost item must be secured in a locked closet or area that has highly restricted access. Claiming item. If a guest claims an article, he must sign a receipt with his identification like Emirates ID or passport copy. Second, if guest requests an article to be returned by courier, then identify the detail and deliver the them item. In this situation, courier charges paid by the guest. Unclaimed items. Unclaimed valuable items are handed over to police after 6 months. Second, unclaimed non-valuable items are distributed to the person who found them after 3 months. Third, lost and found perishable items will be disposed directly in the presence of the security manager or manager on duty as mandated by the police. Remember, all the effort are made to return item left behind the guest before he leaves the hotel premise or the city. Thank you.